Hi everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Dave's 411. Today, we are going to speak about something that a lot of people ask me almost daily. Are bananas healthy? I love bananas, especially in my smoothies. But recently, there has been talk of bananas not being as healthy as we were always told. Monkeys around the world are confused, and so am I. So on this episode, we will try to peel away the confusion about bananas and get to the bottom of this controversy. All of this and some really amazing jokes on this episode of Dr. Dave's 411. Oh, and remember, if you enjoy learning about heart health, then check out my website, drdavedegani.com, where we have videos, recipes, and yes, really funny jokes. When it comes to bananas, the nutritional profile looks pretty good. Let's break it down.
Let's break it down.
A medium-sized banana contains potassium, approximately 12% of a person's daily potassium needs, vitamins B6 and C, magnesium, phosphorus, antioxidants, and fiber. Lots of fiber. In fact, for the amount of calories, approximately 105, bananas offer about as much fiber per calorie as just about any other food. 3 whopping grams of it. That's about 10% of what you need each day. So do all bananas have a favorable nutrition profile? Not necessarily. One of the most important aspects of eating a banana is the color. That is correct. The color of a banana is critical. Bananas start off as green and yes, eventually turn yellow and brown. So what color banana do you think is the healthiest?
Survey said.
When consuming bananas, it is probably better to eat less ripe or yellow-green bananas, and here is why. Bananas that are green have what is called resistant starch. What is resistant starch? I thought you'd never ask. Resistant starches are long chains of glucose or starch that are resistant to digestion. So they act like a soluble fiber in the body and have many potential health benefits, including maintaining stable blood sugar levels, helping promote weight loss, and feeding the friendly bacteria in your intestines. Not only do green bananas have resistant starches, but they also raise our blood sugar to a less extent than yellow bananas due to their lower glycemic index. Glycemic index is a measure of how much foods raise our blood sugar levels after we consume them. Since bananas are 90% carbohydrates, many people consider them high sugar fruit that could create a rapid rise in our blood sugar. Will bananas raise our blood sugar to a high level? Not necessarily. How much a banana increases our blood sugar has a lot to do with its color. Green bananas start off as mostly resistant starch. But as the banana ripens and turns darker, yellow to brown, the starch turns into sugar, such as glucose, fructose, and sucrose. Going back to glycemic index, green bananas will have a lower glycemic index, meaning they will not cause a large spike in our blood sugar. And yellow or ripe bananas will have a higher glycemic index, meaning they will tend to create a higher sugar level. So, can we eat bananas as part of a heart-healthy diet? The answer is yes. Now, I am not advocating eating green bananas. Let me say this again. I am not advocating eating green bananas, but rather try to eat bananas that are closer to green than yellow. Remember, bananas are high in fiber, have a relatively low glycemic index, especially when they're green, and are high in nutrients and antioxidants, and therefore can absolutely be a part of a heart-healthy diet. Okay, everyone, there you have it, the 411 on bananas. Okay, who wants to hear a famous Dr. Dave joke?
No! No!
Oh, God! Oh, God! Why do bananas have to wear sunscreen? Because they peel. My friend has been on a banana diet. He hasn't lost any weight, but you should see him climb trees now. Okay guys, I'll stick to cardiology. Till next time, this is Dr. Dave.